What animals think about humans? Have you ever wondered what animals truly think about us? To a bird soaring high above a city, humans might look like restless ants. To a street dog, we are walking food dispensers, sometimes kind, sometimes careless. But what does science say about the way animals actually perceive people? Let's start with the senses. Dogs, for example, live in a universe of scent. A single sniff tells them where you've been, what you ate, even how you feel. Dog looking at a dog. A human is not just a face, but a moving cloud of smells. Cats, on the other hand, see us as large, slightly clumsy companions. Studies show they do not fully see us as masters, but as social equals, big cats who share food and warmth that slow blink your cat gives. It's a sign of trust. Birds recognize us far more than we realize. Crows and ravens can remember human faces for years. In experiments, crows even warn each other about people who once threatened them. To a crow, you are not just another passerby. You are a character in their mental storybook. Some animals judge us by our behavior. Elephants can distinguish between friendly and hostile voices. When they hear calm tones, they relax. When they sense aggression, their heart rates spike. To them, our mood is as loud as a trumpet. Then there are animals that form true partnerships with us. Dolphins, for example, recognize individual humans and sometimes even help fishermen by herding fish into nets. To these intelligent swimmers, we are strange but fascinating allies. Creatures of land who somehow speak through splashes and whistles. But animals also notice our flaws. Wildlife around cities learn to avoid our cars, our noise. Rats in urban areas watch us carefully to decide when it's safe to search for food. Even deer near hiking trails can read our body language. What about emotions? Research shows many animals can sense our feelings. Dogs detect changes in our scent when we are sad or fearful. Horses can read human facial expressions and adjust their behavior. To them, our emotions are like signals in the air. Animals don't just react. They teach each other about us. Knowledge about us travels through generations of animal families. Consider whales, who sing across oceans. Underwater, some pods have learned to avoid shipping lanes because humans bring danger. Their songs even change when human noise grows louder. To them, our machines are thunderous invaders. Meanwhile, primates see us as powerful tool users. Some monkeys copy our actions, stealing food or learning tricks. They recognize the connection between our hands and rewards. For them, humans are clever rivals, sometimes generous, sometimes dangerous. Even farm animals form opinions. Sheep can remember dozens of human faces for years. Cows show excitement when a friendly caretaker approaches, but they also remember those who hurt them. Our kindness, or cruelty, leaves a mark. The way animals read us has evolved over centuries. Wolves learned to follow humans for leftovers, becoming the ancestors of dogs. Horses allowed us to travel farther, carrying our hopes and wars. And today, pets share our homes and daily emotions. Yet wild animals still view us with caution. To them, we are unpredictable forces of change. Some adapt, some flee. Some simply watch. Even insects react. Bees sense vibrations of our footsteps. They can detect chemicals in our breath. To a bee, we are both threat and garden partner. Fish notice our shadows above the water. Some species approach, curious about reflections. Others dart away the moment we move. Our presence reshapes their world in silence. Animals are not passive observers. They learn, adapt, remember, and sometimes judge. Every action we take, feeding, chasing, polluting, becomes part of their collective memory. This silent feedback loop shapes our shared planet. So next time you see an animal, know that you are already a character in its story.